Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today we're diving into something mind-blowing. OpenAI's latest marvel, CriticGPT. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, what's the big deal about CriticGPT? OpenAI has rolled out this fantastic new AI that's all about making code better. Based on the GPT-4 architecture, CriticGPT specializes in finding and explaining errors in code that was generated by none other than ChatGPT. Ever heard of reinforcement learning with human feedback? OpenAI uses this technique to train their models. Basically, humans rate the responses from AI to help fine-tune it. And now, CriticGPT is stepping in to make this process even smoother. Let me break it down. When ChatGPT generates a piece of code, trainers of IA, those brilliant humans, review it and point out errors. But hey, humans make mistakes too. And that's where CriticGPT shines. Get this, trainers preferred critiques made with the help of CriticGPT 60% of the time over those done by humans alone. It means more accurate and understandable feedback. CriticGPT not only finds errors, but also explains them in a way that's easy to understand. Imagine you're debugging code, and there's a handy tool pointing out exactly where things went wrong. Trainers mentioned that critiques using CriticGPT resulted in more comprehensive evaluations. Even better, it led to fewer hallucinations, cases where the AI made up issues that didn't exist. But wait, there's more. CriticGPT itself was developed using reinforcement learning with human feedback. Trainers inserted errors into ChatGPT-generated codes and wrote critiques, teaching CriticGPT how to do it right. Then, those trainers reviewed multiple evaluations by CriticGPT and picked the best ones. It's like giving CriticGPT pointers on how to be the best critic possible. How cool is that? So, here's a fun fact. Trainers chose CriticGPT over ChatGPT 63% of the time for error critique tasks. That's a solid win. Why? Because CriticGPT produces fewer useless complaints and fewer hallucinations. It's simply smarter at what it does. Still skeptical? Well, reviews are in from various tech blogs, and CriticGPT is getting lots of love. For instance, Technoblog called it a game changer in the world of AI coding. Of course, no AI is perfect. OpenAI admits that CriticGPT can still hallucinate and see errors where there aren't any. Plus, for more complex tasks involving longer codes, we're going to need more advanced techniques. And that's a wrap, folks. So excited to see how CriticGPT will evolve and help us eliminate coding errors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. We're here building a supportive community, and your feedback is invaluable.